Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Node.js in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Node.js and here we will be having the download link. Click it and in this downloads page, here we can change the Node.js version of our choice, and here we are having for other operating system also. If you just scroll down, here we are having two options. One is Windows installer and another one is standalone binary. I will just go with the Windows installer one. So this will download the setup file. It is about 31 MB in size. Just be patient till then. Once it is complete, just open it and we'll be getting this Node.js setup. Click on next. I accept, select next, and this is going to be the default location where Node.js is getting installed. If you want to change it, you can click on change to change it. Once you have done that, click on next, and these are fine, just leave it to default. Select next, next, and click on install. That's it. Within few seconds we will be getting Node.js has been successfully installed. Just click on finish and now open command prompt. So just go to search and open it. Here just run the command node space ---- version and hit enter. So as you can see, I have got the exact same version that I have installed. So if I run the command node, we'll be getting the node shell over here. Here we can run any JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm doing this simple math here. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.